viewers, welcome to Tech. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So in last video I gave information how to add or remove assets from your Infinity Wallet interface. Sometimes you don't need to all coins your interface, so you can easily remove from your Infinity Wallet. So how can you do this? Is so simple and easy. I already gave to information about it. You can just go to my YouTube channel, watch that video. That video is very informative for you. So today I'm going to show you or giving you information how to export or find Bitcoin private key in your Infinity Wallet. Yes, you can easily find Bitcoin private key, also Ethereum private key, and also any other coin private key which is already listed in Infinity Wallets. So I hope this information very informative for you. So please watch this video till also end, and this video is very informative for you. But first of all, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallace Info, and also press the bell icon button. You can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowallaceinfo.com. So now I'm going to open my Infinity Wallet, and today we will discuss about how to export or find our private key of Bitcoin wallet, Ethereum wallet, or other wallet which is listed in our Infinity Wallet interface. So now Infinity Wallet is going up in front of me. I'm just going to log in first of all my account. You know my account is password protected, so that going to write here my password. Click on unlock. When I have click on unlock, if my password is correct, then my wallet will be open in front of me. You can see here the Infinity Wallet is open in front of me, and this is the interface of my wallet. And today we are going to find Bitcoin wallet address, LTC, Ether. If I'm going to click on my wallet, you can see here there's Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, XRP, Shared, Matrix, DAI. You can easily get the private key of these wallets. So how can you do? You just simple go to the select the setting, click on setting your left corner, and after that there's the fifth number is that wallet backup. There's the shown the wallet backup. I already gave information how to take the backup of your Infinity Wallet. Today we are going to find the private key, so you can use same tab, and there's the option available backup sheets. We already watched my video, I hope, and you understand how to get a backup. So today we are going to find the private key or export private key. You can see here there is the view private key. Then the again need to enter my password, because if I am not enter my password, so I cannot shown my all private key. So going to click on or right here the my password again here. So you can see here this is the privacy, and this is very best for you if you have apply unlock password on your this wallet. So I'm going to click on unlock. Now viewers, you can see here the my private key. There's shown all private key like Bitcoin BIP 49 and Bitcoin BIP 84. You can see here there's the public address, there's the extended public key. If you need to find the private key, you just simple click on this button. Just simple click on. When you click on it, you can see here there is the shown your private key. This wallet address private key of this, and this wallet address private key of this. You just simple copy all of from this page and go to the open your notepad file, uh, Infinity Wallet private key, private keys, right? And BTC. Now just paste here. When you paste here, you can see here this is the address, this is the private key. If I'm remove unused or not necessary, so they will be shown here. You can like this shown here. I also remove from here, and now separate. You can see here. This is the my wallet address, and this is the my private key of wallet number first, and second wallet number is that this is my wallet address, and this is the my private key. If I'm cross check, I have saved successfully or not, I mean correctly or not. 37G, this is the my Bitcoin wallet address number one, and this is the my private key L11. You can see here they are shown the L11, and I have also second wallet address. You can see here, and also private key. So you can see here, you can easily find the private key of your Bitcoin wallet address or any other wallet address. Like if you want to find your Ethereum wallet address private key, just simple go to the this options. You can see here there's the available Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, BIP84 for Binance. If you go to the click on Ethereum, if you need to find the Ethereum private key, we just simple click on Ethereum, and then you can see here this is the my wallet address Ethereum, and this is my private key of Ethereum. If I'm going to copy all and going to again open the notepad file, this is necessary for you if you want to recover your account, save your account, or import your account. So you must have your private key. So ETH wallet. Okay, now enter and paste here and erase unnecessary things from this notepad file. You can see here this is the my wallet address, and this is my private key of Ethereum wallet. You can copy your all wallets key from this list one by one and paste in your notepad file. After paste your notepad file correctly, check you have enter or write here the correctly your private key first three digits and last three digits. After that, you just simple make the multiples copy of this file. When you create a multiples copy, and you will save these copies in like USB drive or external hard or CD or your personal diary, you must write here, because sometimes you need to recover your account, import your account, or restore account. Then you will use this information. This information is very necessary for you, so please keep in your mind, if you have not this information, you cannot recover your account or import your account. If you have your 12-hour backup ratio infinity, then you can also import your wallet, and if you have your private key, then you can also import your wallet on any other wallets. You can see here all private keys available, and please also keep in your mind, don't use these information your personal use, because this video is only for educational purpose. Okay, if you use this, so it's maybe your all fund will be lost. So please don't be use this information which is I have told you in my this video. So as I hope you properly understand how can you find your Bitcoin private key, Ethereum private key, or Litecoin private key. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Walls Info, and also press the bell icon button. And you can also visit my website. My website name is cryptowallsinfo.com. If you face any issue regarding installation, find private key, or export private key, or deposit or withdrawal, any problem you face, so please comment below this video. I must reply your comments, and I will also hope solve your problem. So you just go to the Google and type cryptowalletsinfo.com. After that, this website open in front of you. You just simple get the information about Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Tron, Ethereum, Ripple from this website. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.